Okay, so you're thinking about opening a Questrade account and you're wondering how to get it funded. Well, I'm here to help. Question: how do I fund my Questrade account? Answer: there are a few different ways to fund your Questrade account. Let's explore them in detail. 1. Instant deposit. This is the fastest way to fund your account. It's like a direct deposit from your bank account. To use this method, you'll need to provide your bank account information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Once you've done that, you can transfer funds from your bank account to your Questrade account. The funds will be available in your account immediately. 2. Online bill payment. This is another quick and easy way to fund your account. You can use your online banking to set up a bill payment to Questrade. The funds will be transferred to your account within a few days. 3. Pre-authorized deposits, PADs. This is a great way to make regular deposits to your account. With PADs, you can set up recurring transfers from your bank account to your Questrade account. This is a convenient way to save money for investing. 4. Wire transfer. You can also fund your account using a wire transfer. This is a more time-consuming method, but it's a good option if you're transferring a large amount of money. 5. Brokerage transfer. If you have an existing brokerage account, you can transfer your assets to Questrade. This is a convenient way to consolidate your investments. 6. Cash or check. You can also fund your account by mailing a check or money order to Questrade. However, this is not the most efficient method. 7. Third-party deposits. You can also fund your account using a third-party deposit service. This is a good option if you don't have a bank account or if you want to transfer money from another country. Additional tips. Be sure to choose a funding method that is convenient for you. Consider the fees associated with each funding method. Make sure you have the necessary information to complete the funding process. If you have any questions, contact Questrade customer service. There are a number of ways to fund your Questrade account. Choose the method that is best for you and get started investing today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.